Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Vishal, and today I will be actually revealing one of the hidden strategies that we've been using for a lot of clients that we are working with. So, today in this video, you will be actually seeing what is actually working. So, today in this video, you'll be seeing what is actually working in the industry and how you can replicate it same for your brand. So, as you can see, the title is How to Grow Any Business Who Rely on Leads to 8 figures in Just 6 months using our Perfect Funnel system. And by the way, this is the exact system that one of our clients, they named Jolfest. So, he is selling Tomorrowland tickets as well. So we've implemented this same system for him, and not even 6 months, he just did almost 8 figures in just 20 days. So for that, you can obviously go and check out the YouTube podcast that we already posted about his experience and how he actually got this funnel and everything. Before actually starting, you might be wondering, who am I? So you must have recently purchased a couple of the product, the sales funnel breakdowns, how to run the ads and stuff, right? You might have seen me on the LinkedIn as well. But still, people who doesn't know me, so that's me, Vishal. That's my crazy headline on the LinkedIn. That's Conor McGregor of performance marketing, and I basically help brands to generate leads and revenue using kick-ass performance marketing. By far, we have already generated more than 8 figures of revenue in a single month as well, and we have already delivered for more than 3.5 years in the industry. We have worked with 120 plus brands. Currently, we are working with a Shark Tank brand as well. And as you can see, I have more than 10,000, close to 10,000 followers, which I usually got from posting some crazy content on the LinkedIn. And yeah, so these are the couple of brands that we're working with. That's me and Sayam, the client, who did almost 8 figures in just 20 days. You can check out the podcast. If you're in the industry running the ads by yourself, or maybe you tried doing a course, you might be knowing this guy, Sanidhya Baveja. So he owns almost 82,000 followers in the online space. So he gave us a review as well. Plus, how to grow your business. We have another podcast available on the YouTube channel. So maybe you're in the real estate, travel, doctor, you're the interior designer, or any business who needs the leads, right? So if your business rely on the lead, this would be the perfect video, and you'll be done with the old school methods. You'll be actually focusing what is currently working in 2025. Before telling how it works, I wanted to tell you कि मैंने actually सीखा कैसे था. So this is something when I started my agency, I was using the same system, which I'll be walking you through. कि सब old school की कर रहे थे, and even जो भी clients हैं, they were also just relying on the same method. So this was the same old method that we were using, and even we were promoting to the clients as well. So as you can see, people start running the Facebook ads. Facebook ads जो run करते थे, lead gen ads, Google Pay, right? And all the different channels, जो भी कोई नया channel आता था, they start running the ads. Then what happens is they'll send the traffic on the WhatsApp messages कि WhatsApp पे लीड आ जाती थी या लैंडिंग पेज पे भेज देते थे या इंस्टा या फेसबुक पे ही रहते थे, राइट? एंड वी वर यूजिंग द सेम, एंड अल्टीमेटली इस पूरे सिस्टम में होता क्या था कि लीड्स तो आ जाती थी, बट क्वालिटी वाज वेरी वेरी पुअर, एकदम पैथेटिक लीड्स होती थी. एंड जो मेक और ब्रेक वाली सिचुएशन होती थी, इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू दी कॉल्स, कि कितनी कॉल्स एक्चुअली में हमारे जो टेलीकॉलर हैं, सेल्स रेप्स हैं, वो कर रहे हैं और कितनी जल्दी कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्स टाइम? सो लेट्स से एक कोई लीड आई है एंड 24 घंटे बाद उस पर कॉल किया जा रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट लीड इज डेड. बट एज पर द स्टैटिस्टिक इट सेज कि अगर आप विद इन 5 मिनट्स में लीड को कॉल कर रहे हो और मे बी लेस देन 5 मिनट्स, so प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग दैट लीड इज मच मोर हायर. जैसे जैसे टाइम जाता जाएगा वैसे वैसे चीज़ें खराब होती जाएंगी, राइट? सो एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द ओल्ड स्कूल मेथड, एंड आई एम श्योर यू माइट बी यूजिंग दिस. कि आपकी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टीम होगी, कोई फ्रीलांसर होगा, अगर आप खुद ऐड रन कर रहे हो तो आप रोज सुबह जाते होगे, आप डेटा को yesterday पे सेट करते होगे फेसबुक डैशबोर्ड में, एंड यू डाउनलोड द लीड्स ऑन अ गूगल शीट. You give it to your sales team. If you're alone, you might be start calling them, right? And वही basic चीज़ें. And you might be struggling with a lot of problem कि कॉल नहीं उठाते, नंबर गलत होता है, either they say we haven't filled the form, हमें फ़ोन मत करना, हमें नहीं चाहिए, all that crap, right? And ultimately रोज होके कुछ ना कुछ सेल्स हो जाती रहती है. So I'm sure this is the exact system that you are using currently in 2025. And I know it's very old school, कुछ नहीं काम करता है. There are still people who actually promotes this and show crazy results कि इससे ये results आए, right? So yeah, as I mentioned, it is all about the response time. कितनी जल्दी आप उस पर response time करते हो. And what was missing is marketing qualified lead, that is MQL. कि marketing ने काम ही नहीं किया, that's why the sales reps needs to do a lot of heavy lifting. कि जितने जल्दी कॉल करेंगे, जितने जल्दी को नर्चर करेंगे, जितने जल्दी को बताएंगे. I'm sure अभी भी इस मेथड के साथ what is the first step that you have to do? You have to explain who we are, what we do, why we do, how much we work that we have done so far, right? Then they'll be considering you. Okay, this is a brand, but what are the other options in the market, right? So you're not the priority, you're just the one of the options, right? So that's how we actually distinguish कि इस method में काम नहीं होगा. And we tried everything. So ये पूरा funnel वगैरह करने के बाद, as you can see, marketing qualified lead, And ultimately these are the problems that I was struggling with and even my clients were struggling with. That is, leads बहुत कम आती है इस मेथड के साथ कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा लीड्स आ नहीं रही है. सेकेंड, कॉस्ट पर लीड बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होती थी. एज इन की जो लीड हमें लगती थी 100 रुपये की आनी चाहिए वो 300 रुपये की आ रही है. जस्ट बिकॉज सब लोग सेम चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एंड इवन कभी एड्स खराब हो जाती हैं, कभी लैंडिंग पेज में कुछ खराब हो जाता है, कभी व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पर रिप्लाई नहीं हुए टाइम पे, या फिर पुअर क्वालिटी लीड. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती थी कि एज आई टोल्ड यू कि को पहले फर्स्ट कॉल इज ऑल अबाउट explaining them who we are, what we do, why we do this, right? So ये पूरा process रहता था and I was super tired. I was like, if this is the model to scale any business or just to have a survivor, I can't do this anymore. So as you remember, I met Sanidhya Baveja, the person who actually runs the Facebook ads for a lot of UK based clients. So he's a friend of mine. So we were sitting and discussing कि Sanidhya ये problem आ रही है and I feel this is very tiring. If this is the way everyone is doing, I don't know how they're actually doing it. So he told me कि Vishal, whatever you're using, this is the method because that is the easiest method to implement. But ultimately, अगर कोई चीज़ easy implement करने के लिए, it's going to be very tough in terms of getting the results out of it, right? So running ad on a lead gen form, it's very easy, but results उससे आते नहीं है. It all based on the response time, marketing qualified lead, sales step, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें. And I was like, yeah, very true. What is the solution? How big industry giants they are doing it? So he told me they have a funnel system which actually makes sure that leads are coming 24/7. Cost per lead is actually minimized. कि जो भी हमारी राइट ऑडियंस है वो वही लोग आए हमारे पूरे फनल के अंदर. एंड क्वालिटी शुड बी टॉप नॉच. सो सेल्स रप डजंट हैव टू डू लॉट ऑफ हैवी लिफ्टिंग. रिमेंबर वो पहली कॉल पे सब कुछ मुझे बताते थे कि हम कौन हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें. सो इट्स ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू कि सिर्फ लीड्स आ रही हैं एंड क्वालिटी लीड्स आ रही हैं. सेल्स रप जस्ट हैज़ टू कलेक्ट द रिक्वायरमेंट्स कि ओके दिस इज व्हाट वी गोना ऑफर, दिस इज द प्राइस, would you be up for it, and it's all about the closing. So this is how the new system was implemented. So me and Sanadhya, we actually sat down and drafted this whole funnel and everything for the lead generation part. We started implementing for one of our businesses. We are seeing crazy result as well. But problem was कि उसमें leakages बहुत सारे हैं. कि let's say लोग आके lead देते थे, but there was कि show up नहीं करते थे, right? I want to walk you through that process as well. So we have actually improvised, and a lot of hit and trials has already been done on that funnel. And we have given the same funnel to one of our clients who did almost 8 figures in 20 days. And we are using it for ourselves. We are making sure that all the brands that we are working with is being implemented with the latest funnel in the industry. So what was the funnel? So this is the perfect funnel system that we have implemented. So as you'll notice, कि first traffic remains the same, and we usually mostly on the Facebook. Because Facebook, if you're selling something expensive, it is all about the desire creation. Because let's say if someone is coming from the Google, what will happen? They are very much sure that they wanted to buy something, but they are price sensitive as well. They'll always seek out for the options. So for Facebook, it is most about the interruption based model. So obviously we can catch the attention of the user, actually create a desire and make sure that people clicks on the ad. So Facebook is something that we rely upon, but Google is obviously we can do it as well. So we send the traffic from both the channels, and there is a landing page that we create with a format. The landing page doesn't mean it has to look perfect in terms of दिखने बहुत अच्छा है, सुंदर बना हुआ है, color coding बहुत अच्छी है. The objective is either the person should give the lead or he should exit the website, the landing page, right? So how we design it? So that is hook, story, offer. So if you'll notice, same thing is being introduced on the ad as well. Hook, story, offer. Hook will catch your attention. Story will help you to create that desire. Offer will make sure that you click on the ad and visit the landing page. So that is the framework. When it comes to landing page, in hook, story, offer, there is another level that we introduce. That is because as Dan Kennedy says that people usually buy emotionally, or people usually make decisions emotionally and justify logically, right? So the basic framework for any landing page would be, it should be emotionally first above the fold. Second, it should be logically, and last, it should be urgency and scarcity. So once that thing is done, there's a video attached. People see and understand. They are being educated. So earlier, पुराने model में your sales rep needs to educate and warm up the audience. In this case, landing page is doing that job. Was that user give their information, because obviously यहाँ पे हम कुछ valuable चीज़ भी free में दे रहे होते हैं. So it's like if you are struggling with XYZ, this will definitely help you to solve your few steps. So who will be actually gonna give their information? People who are struggling with, right? And obviously that is our target audience. So that's the reason we get consistent amount of leads, and it will be stabilized over the period of time. Second, obviously there's a video as well which warm up the audience. So people who just gonna land on the landing page, they'll not just skim through it, they'll watch the video as well. On the next page, there's a thank you video. So once they give their information to that resource, then they'll be warm up with a thank you video. Okay, this is the video, this is what we are offering, and we give them a one-time offer to book a call with us. So not everyone gonna click on the call and book a call, but people who are actually want to take that one step forward, they'll click on the button, they'll select the available slots. So based on our availability, his availability, he will be asking for, okay, this is the date, this is the time, I want to have a call. These are the number of questions that will actually help me to figure out, okay, if I qualify for this call or not. So once that is done, you'll notice final confirmation page is there, which actually there is a video as well, which makes sure that people shows up. So there is a small homework that they needs to be doing before coming onto the call, that why I need to be in this call, what exactly am I looking for, what are my challenges and struggles. उस हिसाब से हम उसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, सारी चीज़ उसको पता लग जाती है कि अच्छा ठीक है कॉल पे शो अप करना है. लास्ट इट्स एवरीथिंग इज ऑटोमेटेड ऑन द शीट एंड CRM. सो वी गिव आवर ओन CRM जहाँ पे पीपल विल गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स. सो एवरीथिंग इज ऑटोमेटेड कि कितने लोग आए, कितने लोगों ने मीटिंग्स बुक करी हैं, कितने लोगों ने सिर्फ लीड्स दिए हैं, कितने लोगों ने वीडियोस देखे हैं, राइट. एंड इट इज़ डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेटेड ऑन दी वीडियो मीटिंग. सो गूगल कैलेंडर यहाँ से डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट हो जाता है, ऑफ कोर्स भी iOS कैलेंडर. सो वीडियो मीटिंग वहाँ पे आ जाती है सीधा, एंड सारी चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाती हैं. सो इफ यू नोटिस अ लॉट ऑफ लीकेजेस कुड बी देयर. लेट्स से फेसबुक से लोग लैंडिंग पेज पे आए बट लीड नहीं दी. सो ऑब्वियसली वी गोना फिक्स दैट लीकेज बाय रनिंग द टारगेटिंग एड्स. So lead देने के बाद मीटिंग बुक नहीं करी, obviously we can send them email and WhatsApp drip sequences, not using ChatGPT but something which is already proven. So hook, story, offer, emotional, logical and urgency and scarcity. So we combine this framework and we actually write the emails and WhatsApp sequences as well, which make sure that both all the three problems are being solved. Number of leads should be stabilized कि इतनी leads हमें रोज की आनी ही चाहिए. Second, quality of the lead should be top notch and cost per lead should be bare minimum कि इतनी कम lead की cost होनी चाहिए. And at every stage there is a drip sequence of email and WhatsApp to make sure कि maximum number of leads दें और show up करें, so your sales reps can actually collect the requirements and fulfill it. Very simple. So this is how the perfect funnel system works. So if you notice, there is a lot of difference. It is much more complex, much more advanced, much more fruitful in terms of generating the ROI. But old funnel system, this is what you have been using. It's very simple to set up, very easy for the agency or freelancers to give it to you at a dirt cheap cost. But obviously, so your sales rep needs to be very good at their job, right? So now the choice is yours. If you want to generate your leads through old funnel system or perfect funnel system, the ball is in your court. And this is the person who did almost 8 figures in 20 days. So if you want to check this podcast, search for the growth flow on the YouTube and you will definitely find his experience, how he was being transformed in terms of how we have generated results for him. So now ball is in your court. If you want us to actually implement this perfect funnel system in your business, just click on apply now and book a call. I'll be seeing you on the call and I'll be actually understanding what exactly your business is all about. Either we can help you or not, and we're going to draft a roadmap, 6 months roadmap to plan how the system can actually grow your business to 1 CR a month consistently without relying on the marketplaces or the referrals. So yeah, that's it from my side.